I believe there's some big breaking news which is coming in that we are quickly shifting focus across to. Well, there is a fresh storm which is brewing in the Sansad. In fact, there is Loktantra, which has been misspelled in Congress's placards. Can you imagine? Inside the parliament, in order to protest, they have been holding up placards where they have misspelled the very word Loktantra. The war of words over spelling has begun. BJP is now mocking Congress over these posters. Let me go across to Swati, who's joining us. Swami, what can we even say? These are parliamentarians holding up a banner which can't even spell Loktantra. We can see Kharge ji, of course, Sonia Gandhi, as well as the senior most leaders of the opposition party. What a disaster this is.
Absolutely, Meghna. You know, what has caught everyone's attention more than the protest of the opposition is this placard that they are holding, senior leaders of not just the Congress party, but the opposition as well. Here you can see Sonia Gandhi. Right there is Mr. Gogoi. Here's Priyanka Gandhi holding this particular poster and clearly oblivious of what's written on it. They're talking about saving Loktantra democracy, and they clearly have no idea how Loktantra is spelled because it has been misspelled in this particular poster and no one has taken a note of that. But BJP has taken a note. Here's a post by Pradeep Bhandari who says, जो लोकतंत्र ठीक से लिख नहीं पाते अब लोकतंत्र बचाने की बात करते हैं. Then there's another post by Amit Malviya, and Amit Malviya says लोकतंत्र होता है लोकतंत्र नहीं. So BJP taking a jibe there at the Congress party, saying that the opposition, along with of course the Congress, do not even know how to spell Loktantra, and they are talking about saving Loktantra, saving democracy.
And all of this, interestingly, Swati, these are the crusaders of saving democracy. They are the ones who've been fighting day and night. Earlier, there were blank pages of the constitution. Now you have Loktantra. Of course, all of us understand that it is a spelling mistake, it is a typo. But the fact that this is being held up by the chief of the Congress party, by the senior most leaders of the Congress party, of the opposition parties as well, speaks a lot about their intent to save democracy if they can't even save its spelling, Swati.
Absolutely. And you know, in this particular video, let me play out the video for you. You can see, like I said, the senior leaders here, senior parliamentarians of not just the Congress but other political parties as well, the opposition. Here's a close-up in the video where you can see these opposition members sloganeering. You have Sonia Gandhi there. Right next to Sonia Gandhi is Mr. Gogoi sloganeering right outside the parliament, talking about democracy. Claims are that BJP is trying to bulldoze democracy and the Congress party, and the opposition wants to save democracy. BJP is taking a jibe at this particular poster, saying that these individuals do not even know how to spell Loktantra. Perhaps, you know, more than that, the allegation of the jibe of the Bharatiya Janata parties don't know the essence, the real meaning.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us, Swati. Let me go across to Pragya as well. Pragya, these are the crusaders who are going to be saving democracy. Can't even spell democracy right in Hindi. And this is all very interesting, Pragya. This is coming in right ahead of critical polls where they are fighting, where the Congress and its alliance partners in the heartbelt, in the Hindi heartbelt of Bihar are fighting for democracy over SIR, about voter lists, and they are getting the spelling of even Loktantra wrong. Optics ke liye, at least, this is a PR disaster.
Well, you're absolutely right. And this also shows the intent of the opposition and how serious they are about the issues for which they're stalling, proceedings of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both houses. They have not worked throughout this week. And in fact, this is Thursday. And tomorrow is just private members' bill. And not just that, Meghna, we saw these protests yesterday also. Miss Priyanka Gandhi and everyone in the opposition were laughing. And if they were so serious about disenfranchisement of their voters, they would have been, not laughing when they were protesting. So this all shows how serious they are about this particular issue and how seriously they are taking it. Or it's just or is it just for the optics? What they are doing is to corner the government, saying that the democracy is in danger. This has been a narrative for Congress and opposition for quite some time against Modi government, and in fact every time where there is a protest, they want to have a protest, they'll show the constitution, they'll show that there is a murder of democracy. These are the charges that they have been leveling for quite some time on central government without even ensuring that they are the one who, if they believe so seriously in the cause, they should be working towards it. They would be demanding when government says that we are ready for SIR debate, then they should be actually working towards it rather than protesting on the gate. And also, this is also a way of government to give go ahead. You can have a bill passed without a debate. So you are giving that right to the government as well. But look at the faces of the opposition leaders. They are there just to show that we all are standing together. However, there is also, a fragmentation in the opposition India bloc. But the fact is that they want to attack central government, and therefore they have come together and with the smiling faces. If it is so serious and you're very serious about this issue, how can you not take on opposition in a strong and stern, way that you want to? And there are many productive and constructive ways on which you can always put election commission and also the government in doubt.
Absolutely.
But no, they decided to, disrupt the house and make these optics the only thing.
If optics is the most important thing for the opposition, at least they should have gotten that right. They don't want to debate. It's one thing. They want to go outside, disrupt, stand outside, protest, at least get the optics right. Let me go across to Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP, who is joining us. Pradeep, this is a disaster by all standards. It's one thing to call yourself the crusaders of democracy, not even getting the spelling right. One would imagine optics, at least, they should have gotten right.
Well, those who are speaking about protecting democracy cannot spell democracy correctly, because their DNA is about emergency. If you in midnight 12 o'clock will also ask Rahul Gandhi to spell emergency, he will do it absolutely correctly, because that's what the Congress party has done. Its DNA is anti-democracy and pro-emergency. So what has happened on the poster is not mere coincidence. This tells you that how they treat democracy. Also, it also speaks about the IQ level of Rahul Gandhi, which is about, making jalebis from factories, and same IQ level today cannot spell democracy. This is why for the last 90 elections, the people of the country have made him sit in the opposition, because the people know that Rahul does not take democracy seriously and people do not take Rahul seriously.
Well, thank you so much, Pradeep, for joining us with what BJP says, that this is ridiculous. Shows the IQ level of not just Rahul Gandhi, his entire party, as well as the alliance partners. Look at the who's who of those who are holding up this placard with the wrong spelling of democracy in Hindi. In fact, we are going to be going across to Sabyasachi as well, who's joining us. But before that, Srinivas Bivi of the Congress party joining us on the show. Srinivas Bivi, how would you like to respond to that? BJP says you forget about having the intent, you can't even spell Loktantra or democracy right.
देखिए किस तरीके से बार बार हम सब बोल रहे हैं लोकतंत्र खतरे में है। ये प्रूव हो चुका है ना। लोकतंत्र नहीं है अभी, मोदी तंत्र है, आरएसएस तंत्र है, व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का तंत्र है। ये आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए तो वही।
अरे बीवी श्रीनिवास जी, आप स्पेलिंग तो बता दीजिए लोकतंत्र की, देन विल गो फॉरवर्ड। स्पेलिंग तो बता दीजिए।
लेट हिम कंप्लीट फुल। आप उनको पहले धनखड़ जी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को फोन करके पूछिए,
उनको पूछेंगे स्पेलिंग की। धनखड़ जी ने तो लिखा नहीं है लोकतंत्र। ये सोनिया गांधी जी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, द हूज हू ऑफ योर पार्टी बैनर तो उन्होंने लगाए, हम धनखड़ जी को कहां से बीच में ला रहे हैं?
देखिए मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, लोकतंत्र खतरे में है। आप जो सवाल उनको पूछना,
लोकतंत्र की तो स्पेलिंग भी खतरे में है। श्रीनिवास जी
को जो सवाल आप वाइस प्रेसिडेंट से पूछा, पहली बार इस तरीके से कोई वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इस्तीफा दिया है क्या?
वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के चक्कर में कांग्रेस पार्टी इतना डिस्टर्ब हो गई कि वो लोकतंत्र का स्पेलिंग भूल गई। मैं आपको बार बार सेम ही तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ श्रीनिवास जी।
आपको सरकार को जो सवाल पूछना है वो सरकार
नहीं, एज अ मीडिया पर्सन आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हेन यू have the senior most leaders of your party going out with a banner, लोकतंत्र की स्पेलिंग तो ठीक से लिख लीजिए।
का जो इन लोगों का जो किस तरीके से इन लोग ने सच को झूठ बना देते हैं, झूठ को सच बना देते हैं। आप झूठ को सच बना देते हैं, उसमें आप लोग ने
अच्छा स्पेलिंग की बातें करें श्रीनिवास जी। सच और झूठ की बात अगर आप कर ही रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ लोकतंत्र? ये आपको ठीक लग रहा है?
हेलो, ऑडिबल?
I can hear you very clearly, Srinivas ji. Oh well, it seems that the line for Srinivas Bivi has been cut off. Well, let me go across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, we asked the Congress some straight questions. Why did they get the spelling of democracy or Loktantra in Hindi wrong? No clear answers coming their way. Sabyasachi.
Well, that's right. See no clear answer coming in from the Congress party. And, well, that's right. See no clear answer coming in from the Congress party, and the Congress party cannot deny the fact that it was a complete blunder. And with the amount of opposition MPs present out there, with not only the Congress MPs but leaders of the India bloc, and nobody in fact noticed that the Loktantra spelling was wrong, and that raises a lot of question, and that has definitely given a lot of arm and ammunition to the BJP, who's currently making fun of the Congress party, stating that the party who has been stating that the democracy is under threat, holding copies of constitution inside and outside the parliament, could not even spell the word Loktantra properly. So clearly Congress party has not come out with an official answer yet. Meanwhile, the BJP, the NDA, has been demanding answer from the Congress party as who was the one behind the poster. And what is most shocking to see that several of the member of parliament holding protest in front of the Makardwar, and nobody in fact noticed that the Loktantra was spelt wrong. So clearly this was a big blunder as far as the opposition is concerned, and definitely this has given a lot of arms and ammunition to the BJP and the NDA to question the Congress party and the opposition.
So Sabyasachi, this is of course a face-off between the Congress, the other members of the India bloc as well as the opposition on a spelling mistake on one of their banners where they could not spell Loktantra properly. But fundamentally talking about the serious issue at hand as far as parliamentary productivity is concerned, that has been a serious point of concern this entire monsoon session, with repeated adjournments thanks to protests on the part of the opposition. How are things in Parliament looking like?
Well, Siddharth, see, the Parliament will continue to see disruption because if I talk about the opposition is very much clear that they want discussion on the special intensive revision of voter list as well as on the Pahalgam terror attack. Now, the opposition says that this has been 4 days that they have been giving adjournment motions after adjournment motions, and the government is not ready to have a discussion on the SIR. The opposition also says that the central government central government is not giving opportunity to the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and other floor leaders of the opposition political parties to raise their point. Now the opposition says that this is parliament, this is not Mann Ki Baat, where senior leaders from the NDA will come out and give their point of view, but this is a platform where the opposition leaders have to raise serious concern and discussions need to take place. Now the opposition says that they would continue to hold protests, they would continue to raise slogans until and unless the discussion takes place inside the floor of the House on the SIR. Now coming back to the central government time and again have stated that the agendas which the opposition have pointed out, the discussion is absolutely going to take place, but there is rules and procedure. Now the government says that particular date will be assigned where all the opposition parties and the leaders will be allowed to speak, but first they have to let the House function. In fact, today chair also, Lok Sabha Speaker also straight away pointed out to Mr. K.C. Venugopal, stating that this is what
a little less than 3 weeks left for the parliament session to conclude the monsoon session. We'll see how things pan out with some very important debates lined up, including on Operation Sindoor. Many thanks for your perspective.